Today I'm going to show you a video on vastu because I'm a water diviner. Okay. Mainly when you see we are splitting into north, south, east and west. Okay. So these are the directions which we see in a vastu. As I'm a water diviner, I do many things, even vastu for houses, but there are many skeptics that is going on in vastu. I went to Tanjore, the place where you get most of the background books, and I found some truth on it, and we'll share some things. Okay. So this is the one which we see. Okay. Here northeast you say water. Okay. This as sun or fire. Fire we'll see. This as earth and this as air. Okay. So in some cases we see that in north and all you say this as Kubera, north, okay, direction, south direction Yama, okay, and east direction Indra, and west direction as Varuna. Okay, these are the things which we see normally in a one for vastu. But still, when we build a house, many problems are going on. Okay, how to share these things or what are the things which is going on? Okay, we'll say only northeast you should have water, or in Yama or here southeast you should have fire, and in southwest you should have rooms, bedrooms like that and all. So why this has come into existence and what is the truth on these things? Okay, first we'll see in a house which direction what to build, and next we'll get into how to see it. Okay. Okay, we are again taking the direction as north, south, east and west. Okay, this is the place where you have for water. Okay, main thing north, east you say it as water. Okay, here you can have mainly you can have entrance, living room, and the only place for underground water storage tank, anything you can have it. Okay, this is the main thing we see in the place where you are when you are building your house, northeast, in the northeast direction. Okay, in the north direction you can have your entrance also, or you can have open space, or you can have a living room. Okay, as we are not building a bigger house, this both collides here. Okay, and again when we see northwest, it is the place where you can build things for pet or for cattles. Okay, okay, it is best for bedroom for children, and you can have septic tank also. Okay, in this place. Okay, this is the best place for parking vehicles. Okay, so again when we see this both are coming into coexistence, you can have septic tank and parking, but parking this is the best place. Okay, next to that, when we see southwest, it is where you are having Varuna. You can have bedroom and water tank. Okay, you can have water tank in these places, and you can have your master bedroom here. Okay, in southwest corner. Others, when you see a west corner, dining hall, you can have dining hall. You can have waterhead water tank. You can have study room. You can have toilet, bar, septic tank. You can have it. Okay, so this both places, you can say you can have this both places you can have water tank. Okay, and septic tank and toilets can be had in this west corner or northwest corner. Okay, and in the southeast, when you see, it is a room where kitchen lays. Okay, or you can have store room. Okay, this is the place. You can have also in the east corner store room. You can have bathroom or guest room, and in living room also, in some places we are seeing you can have living room also. Okay, in the sides. Okay, and the center, you can see this is the open space. You can leave it or you can put anything. Okay, but in most of the cases, when you build a house, you will be building it only in four ways. Okay, north, south, east, west means. Okay, this will be your living room. This will be one of your bedroom. This will be one of your master bedroom, and this will be your kitchen. Okay, this is the one normally which is seen. Okay, so in northeast you will be having your living room, and northwest you will be having a bedroom. West, south you will be again having a bedroom, and in your southeast you will be having a kitchen. Okay, we'll see the reason why we are having this. Okay, as we have seen, this energies plays an important role. Okay, so energy in the sense, sun is having an energy which gives light and heat. Okay, air is an energy which gives you proper air and environment, and earth is also another energy. Okay, other than water. Okay, when you see, all this are related to magnetic energies. Okay, when you see magnetic energy, okay, you can have a small experiment which you would have done in your younger stage. Take small iron fillings and a bar magnet. Okay, iron fillings and bar magnet. Keep a paper onto it and pour the iron fillings. Okay, so according to these lines of force, you can see that this is building a small force which is called as flux. Okay, due to the flux, this flux is called as the energies which moves around the world here and there. Okay, as we have seen this as a house. Okay, your sun energy flows from normally east to west. Okay, we'll see what is the reality, east to west. Okay, When it flows from east to west, you are seeing that the sun's energy in the morning will contain ultraviolet light and other things. Okay? So when we use this UV rays in the early morning, it kills germs. Okay, that is the why you are having your kitchen in this side. Normally, it kills germs. Okay, the airflow when you see, it will be either from on one season east to west or west to east, and sometimes it is northwest to east west. Okay, that is why to get a good air circulation within your room and to have toilets and all, you use this room because there will be more air circulation. And at the end when you see, the sun is warmer. Okay, when warm light flows into your room, this becomes little hot, which can be best for living. Okay, and it also kills germ on the limb. And living room to be here, every day when you see, most of the time you won't be in the living room, bedroom or kitchen. So most of the times you be in the living room. So morning sun kills your germs, and you will be you're having airflow either from east to west or west to east or from this side. Okay, that is the reason why this vastu and all is there. Because most probably they call me, they have built a good super house and they break it because of vastu. Think of the small things which you do. This all is vastu. Thank you.